Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. It's spooky season, so this month we have a fun Halloween or spooky stress ball activity for you to do. But before we get to that and to see what's in our kit, thank you as always to everyone who keeps sending in their pictures and their videos of all the fun crafts that they're making. We would love it if you want to share them with us, and we will feature it in an upcoming video. So use the QR code right on the front of this kit here and we'll share your pictures.
All right, let's find out what we need to make our spooky stress balls here. So in your kit, you're going to have supplies to make 3 different stress balls. All right, we've got some rice, we've got some pipe cleaners, 2 of them, 1 black, 1 green, and then we've got 3 different balloons, green, white, orange, and then a little permanent marker. What else will we need?
You're probably also going to want a pair of scissors, and then you'll need some kind of funnel. If you have a funnel, that's great. If we're going to use a piece of cardstock paper to kind of make our own funnel, but just some way to
Get the rice in the balloon.
Yeah, I don't feel like I needed to say that part.
It's okay, but now they know why we need it.
Just to try
Now
that
you know
again.
why. All right, let's begin. We should have some spooky music.
We'll
We'll
do
put
it in
it in.
post.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Step 1.
Sorry, do that again.
Step 1. First thing, let's blow up the balloons with just your air, okay? Not the rice, because this helps to stretch them out. So then this way it's
I'm waiting.
easier to put the rice into it.
I
Next,
don't know how to make a funnel.
Kristen is going to tell you how to make a funnel with a piece of paper.
I don't know what you're going to do.
We'll be right back. So, step 2. Let's make a funnel. We gotta make a funnel out of like a piece of paper. You may have a funnel. I don't know, is that a kitchen thing?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
check the garage. What we're going to do is just use a piece of paper. This is cardstock. And I rolled mine up in the landscape way. Kristen rolled hers up in the portrait way. Okay? Got a little funnel. I'm just holding it together. You don't need tape because we're just using it temporarily, just for right now. Maybe we should get tape.
Yeah, it's...
We're going to get some tape. We'll be right back. So now that you have your funnel made, get some tape because you only need 2 hands to do this.
Alright, so add your balloon to the end of your funnel, and we're just going to use it to add some of our rice into the balloon. There's not really a specific measurement for this, just however much you want in each stress ball.
Oh, I'm stressed. I need it all.
I don't even know why we did this project, because there's nothing stressful about spooky season.
I know, this is like your year. Or your time. I don't think any of my rice went in. Oh, Mike's gonna make a mess. How'd that work? It's all in there, and I have a hole in the bottom. We'll be right back.
On second thought, I do need this stress ball. You are stressing me out. So your funnel might work perfectly. It might take some finessing, but we'll get there.
I'm getting stressed.
Add as much rice as you want. These are I'm going to make mine a little smaller just because of the bag of rice I have. I'm going to split between 3. If you want to add more rice or something else at home to make the stress balls a little bit bigger, you can do that. You can use flour. We've done it before. I wouldn't always recommend it. It can get a little messy.
It's a little bit messy.
Once your stress balls are filled, you've got the rice inside, you're going to tie a knot in the balloons to close them up. Now you can decorate them. You can do whatever you want with them. You have a white one you can turn into a ghost. You can make a jack-o'-lantern. You can make a witch or a zombie or a Frankenstein,
Zombie.
or you can do anything you want.
And there you go. We've got our Frankenstein. We've got some ghosts, some jack-o'-lanterns. We used the pipe cleaner and wrapped it around the little permanent marker so we could get some kind of curly details to it. How'd
We
you
got
make?
some stems on the pumpkin, and we got some bolts on little Frankenstein's neck.
Nice.
He's so cute. Don't forget, use that QR code and share a picture or a video with us of whatever stress balls you made.